So this is a 2009 halogen 328i angel light bulb. BMW wants like $100 for this whole assembly. You can find it online for about 50-60 bucks, and you can replace this bulb. Why the hell would you want to spend that much? Anyway, it's only like $3-4 bucks online. You can even get a blue one or whatever. It might shine differently on the halos. Not exactly sure. I just went with a replacement part online, and this is the old one. The bulb was actually burnt out and the housing's cracked, but it's pretty simple to get in here and take everything apart. I'm going to show you how. First, there's these little clips. Just pop them up. Make sure you don't bend them too much because you need to pry them back on or clamp them back on. Sorry about the video. And then you remove the little reflector housing thing. Then there's these little tabs. Just kind of pull, it separates. Might need to push these in. Okay, comes off, and you got the bulb. Just like any standard light socket, you turn, push down, it's kind of spring loaded, and you turn the bulb, keep turning, messing with it. It helps if you have little fingers. Ta-da! You can see bulb is burnt out. Let's see if I can focus this. So the number on the bulb is 12082 Philips, 12 volt, 10 watt, in Germany, which you can buy one online for, like I say, $3-4 bucks. And pretty much just the same way to reinstall everything. Just kind of spin the thing around until you, there's a little slight pin inside of here and it lines up. Yeah, there it is. And then the tabs only go one way, so don't worry about mixing it up. Boom, boom. And you might need to squeeze those. If not, well, yeah, you should be good. And lastly, this thing, which I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which way it goes. Just check your orientation before you put everything, or take everything apart, take a picture or two. That's on there. Kind of squeeze it with your hand or your fingers. Other side. Oops. You just take your pliers, and squeeze these back down. And reverse installation in your car. And it should work. I don't see why it wouldn't. Like, once again, I have not tried this, but I say it should work. But for the price of one of these things, I wouldn't go back stock. I would get the LED style, and they're a lot brighter. As anyone knows from these cars, they're pretty dim from the factory. And but yeah, this is just for a stock replacement, and like I say, hope you guys don't get suckered in to buy a $100 light bulb. Some bullshit.